Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications so that you can be notified whenever I post a new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a pop-up bouquet card. This was a card I made off camera. I'm going to show you how to make a different version of it in a minute. I made this card as a get well soon card, but it can be for any other special occasion. So this version is a flower bouquet card, but I'm going to make a different version where I show you how to make the art version. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. So guys, the first piece of paper you want 9 by 4.5. And then you need 3 pieces of 4.5 by 3 3/4. I'm gonna score ½ inch, 2.5 inches, then 5.5 inches, and 7.5 inches. So you want to ensure that you leave ½ inches on the other two sides so you don't score or cut those sides. You will see in a minute why I said that. On one of the 2.5 inches, you're gonna score about 1/4 inch away from the ½ inch. Then you score 1 inch, 1/4 inch, 1 inch, 1/4 inch, and you're gonna have that 3 times so you can score and cut those lines. You all will see in a minute what I'm talking about. Right here I'm just cutting my 3 lines that I need to cut. So yeah, all my cut lines, right? So right now I'm using my knife to cut off those sides so that I can crease my score lines. So you're supposed to have 3 even cut lines. Finish cut and then I'm gonna be right back. Here you have it. Now all cut. I'm gonna flip it over. Right here I'm just using my ruler to crease those 1 inches over so that I can get to glue my other papers on top of them. So you all will see in a minute. So right here I'm just folding and creasing all those score lines that I did previously. Ensure that you fold and crease all your score lines because I made a mistake of not scoring one of those score lines. So right here I have my 4 by 3.5 inches and you're gonna score on the 4 inches side, ½ inch. So now I'm gonna assemble these onto the card. Right here I'm just putting them in place and I glue them. Ensure that the flaps face towards you. So here you have it, the finished product. You're supposed to have 3 flaps hanging off and then you're gonna glue this on to the card, which you will see what I'm doing right here. Make sure that those flaps fold downwards so that it can assemble properly. For the materials that I use in this video, you can always check in the description box for those materials. I will try my best to find the exact ones. So right there I'm using my bone folder to ensure that the glue stick properly. So this card base I did previously on one of my live videos was just doing some easy card, and now I have it to use. So right here I'm just gluing on the bouquet onto my card base. This card base is 5 by 7 inches. You can always be larger if you want to. So here you have it, the bouquet is on my card base, and you're supposed to have 3 equal sections that you will add whatever you wish to use. These are some paper scraps that I use. They were always like that, so I just picked them out of my stash. So you don't throw away your scraps, just leave them to use later. And that's exactly what I'm doing right here. I'm just gluing on my arts onto those paper scraps, and I finished those off camera. Here's the rest of them right here, and I'm going to assemble these onto the card. And right here I'm just gluing them in the box. Ensure that you don't go over the edges. I went over a little bit, but that's okay. Just don't make the same mistake as I did. Just make sure you put it in the card and make sure you close it first to see where it's gonna end up placing at the end of assembling everything. And I will assemble the rest of these off camera and I will be back. I ended up add a little touch to it on the front, add some more arts on the front off camera and settlements on, because I didn't want the video to be too long. But you can decorate it however you want to decorate your bouquet. Okay, you can always add a basket on the front if you have those dies, those big basket dies that you can add on the front. So I will be right back with you all. So here is the finished product. As I said earlier, I added my settlements and everything else off camera. You can decorate it cards anyhow you want it to be. Okay, you can do flowers, you can do balloons. This is a birthday card, so I did the arts and the balloons. I also added a pull under the bottom of the bouquet so that they know that you need to pull down so that it can stand on its own. So this was another card I did as well. I did the front parts a while back. The video is on my channel. If you scroll down on my channel you can see it. But the middle part I did on a live and finish it off camera. And I also used some scrap for this one. So you can use up your scraps and do beautiful things. So yes guys, thank you all for watching. I hope you all enjoy this tutorial and it wasn't too long. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and tell your friends and loved ones about Willoz Creations YouTube channel. I shall see you guys in another video. Peace. I'm out.